Students, this is a quick video about how to fix work in Google Classroom if it gets kicked back to you. So when things get kicked back, you get an email from Google Classroom with a comment or a private comment from your teacher. So all you have to do is come in, go to Google Classroom from your district login, go to your class. You can go up to classwork to see all of your classwork, and view your work is right here, so it shows you your missing assignments and everything else. And if you see one that needs to be fixed, like, scroll down, here's one. So I click on it and notice it opens a copy of the document. It also shows me the note that my teacher made. I can view details if I want to see more about it. And it gives me the instructions here along with the help video that's attached. And then I can go into the document itself. And once I'm inside the document, then you'll notice that there are also notes right here that your teacher has made for you that you can go through and look and see, oh, now I see what I have to fix. So there's a couple of notes there. There were a couple of fixes over here. And you can always, because it's still open, come back over here and read the note that your teacher left you. So hopefully that helps. Then when you're all done, all you do is resubmit it, and your teacher can take another look at it. There you go, guys. Good luck.